Hi guys, Kirk and Jay here with Kirk Giordano Plastering. Let me show you the difference between, this is a retaining wall and this is a house. And the folks who own the house say, how come this keeps cracking, guys? Well, the retaining wall was done a separate year than the house, and so they're just basically butted up together. But rather than go into a long detail of why this keeps happening, let's show you how we repair it. And the repair, unfortunately, is only temporary. We get some good caulking, something with sand in it. And then we take this, after we clean it out, and I've wire brushed it, and I've taken a utility knife, and I've cleaned this out. I'll show you what I do, guys. Don't be afraid to squeeze this in there real tight. You want to get it as far in that crack as possible. I want to get it myself about a ½ inch all the way in there and bridge it. Will this stop this retaining wall from moving again in the future? Heck no. This is a 50 to 100 ton house, probably a 10-ton retaining wall. And so this will continue to move. After we fill that up, then we're going to put another coat on it. Now I'm just putting another coat on the top here. And why am I putting another coat directly on the top? Because the one I just got into the crack, that's okay. But this one will give me something to work with to feather the texture in. I'm going to take a trowel, guys, and just trowel it. Then I'm going to take a float. We take this sponge float and kind of just give it the same texture as we started with. That way when they paint it, it's not smooth. If it's a clean transition and it doesn't match the texture that they have, well then the caulking job looks stupid and amateurish. And they're not paying me to make it look amateurish. They want it to look good. They want it not to be noticeable as much when painted. So there's what you do, guys. And again, that's why I put that extra, not only did I fill it, but I put that extra caulking. That way to give me some extra room to feather in. I'm feathering in both sides. Piece of cake, guys, huh? Piece of cake. Notice again the sand, the caulking I use has sand in it. Otherwise, some of these caulkings that have no sand, you'll just see a straight line. Look, do more damage than good. Anyway, guys, piece of cake, easy peasy, nothing to it. My name is Kirk, Jason on the camera. As usual, folks, we thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next Simple Fix.